Hello, this is a short video instruction on how to place an order and get instant access to downloads at my store, alexscrollsaw.com. I recommend signing in before checkout to access downloads instantly. Use avatar icon or announcement bar to sign in. No registration needed. Simply enter your email and you got a verification code. Enter the code and you're in. You'll stay signed in on this device for future purchases. Add patterns to your cart and proceed to checkout. Choose a payment method and fill in your information. Then confirm your payment. Once your payment is confirmed, you can instantly download your patterns. You will also get 2 emails. The first confirms your order, and the second has your download link. Use the avatar icon or the All Orders link to view all your orders. Thanks for choosing my patterns and welcome to my store, alexscrollsaw.com.